What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. It's your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. Today we have a 2015 Infiniti QX70. It's the SUV, and I'm actually not about to do a radio replacement. I had to put a remote start in. This is the Viper DS4, and I had to tap into the PTS, the push to start harness, and I can't get through it through this way, so I had to take the radio out to get to it, and it was extremely easy, even though I thought it was gonna be difficult. And someone told me, man, don't do no radio removal because you gotta do this. And then I thought about it. Boy, that's what I do here. Car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and jump right on into it because it really ain't that hard. All you need is a panel removal tool. This one has seen better days, and some type of Phillips head screwdriver or drill. First thing we're gonna do is you're gonna lift this up. After you lift that up, this part right here has to come out. So we're just gonna put our panel removal right there. And if you're thinking, so you took it apart and put it back together just for the video, yes, that's exactly what I did. I hope y'all appreciate it. There we go. All right, so it's only held in by these little tabs, these little clip tab situations, so you don't have to worry about that too tough. Now, next thing that you want to do is come over here to the steering column. You want to pull that down. Once you pull that down, you'll see this little collar pin. Wow, that right there that just kind of went off, you want to take that off. After you take that off, this slides up. Once that slides up, it gives you the ability to take this part off right here. Let me turn my flash off because I ain't got no battery. All right, so the easiest way for you to do this, pull the cup holder up and then kind of grab on the inside. Boom. And use this little lip to actually grab. Everything else is held in by clips. Now we can just come over here, set that to the side. Once we set that to the side, this piece right here is held in by clips. So you take your panel removal tool, boom, that's the right side. Do the same thing with the left. Maybe come here at the top. Dang, you just lost a penny. My bad. Boom. Now, we have one Phillip right here and one Phillip right here. Let's go ahead and take those off first. Dang, but okay, I see it. Oh, and there go the penny. All right, bet. It's down there, cool. Boom, magnetic tip. Why you ain't worked the first time? Now that we have that done, what we want to do is take that part off, and then we do have some harnesses, this ribbon. Let's go ahead and disconnect all of these. So I'm disconnecting all these harnesses, everything except the ribbon, and then I'm gonna tell you why in a second. What we want to do next is come up here, take out that Phillip, come up here, take out that Phillip. Once those two Phillips are taken out, then we can start to maneuver this whole top part. This AC and this little control deal is all one piece. Come in, put our hands right up here, pop some of them clips, and then those two pieces put together, because I ain't gonna lie, man, that thing's kind of hard to take out. Now, after that, all we have to do is 1, 2, take those two Phillips out, and 1, 2, take those two Phillips out. So, like I said, I didn't actually have to do a radio removal. I had to get right here to my push to start button, but I'm not going to go ahead and take this out. I'm just going to put it back together. And the reason I wanted to make this video is because, like I said, I had to take the faceplate off and the radio out in order to get there and make my connection. But let's just say your screen was messed up and you had to replace the screen for whatever reason, or if you want to add a radio inside your vehicle and you want to take this out, now you know how to do it, and I think less than about 2 or 3 minutes. So I hope that gives you guys some type of confidence to let you know that you can do this stuff yourself. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out, man. Y'all be blessed.